Getting a GPU Bitcoin miner for Linux 64-bit. I've just learned about the awesome world of Bitcoins. I've learned that the only way to make a decent amount of Bitcoins is to mine. However, everywhere I look, the miners are for Windows and those that have clients for Linux only support 32-bit. I'd like to be able to mine off my GPU, if possible. I have an RT graphics card. I've heard there isn't much support for RT, only Nvidia.
In my experience, Linux is far better supported by the Bitcoin community than Windows is. The same goes for RT versus Nvidia. RT cards are far better at doing the calculations required for mining Bitcoins, so all the serious miners use them. 32 versus 64-bit should also be a non-issue. Just pick the 64-bit version of the AMD Stream SDK instead of the 32-bit version. Here's a guide for setting up the Phoenix and Pockle BLBR miners on Ubuntu 11.04. Setup should be roughly similar on other distributions.
Here is a list of the currently available miners. Most of them support Linux. GPU. Diolo Miner, support, Windows, Linux, OS features, long. Polling, BFI_int. Pockle BLBR, support, Windows, Linux. Features, long polling, BFI_int. Hashkill, support, Linux.features, long polling, BFI_int, auto. Reconnect. Phoenix, support, Windows, Linux. Features, long polling, BFI_int, auto reconnect. CPU. Jarzik, support, Windows, Linux. Ufasoft, support, Windows, Linux. Features, long polling. Failover. FPGA. Fgemina, support, Windows. Frontends. GUI Miner, support, Windows, Linux. Features, Pockle BLBR, Ufasoft, Phoenix. Fact support. AOKLBF, formerly Phoenix Rising, support, Windows. Features? Phoenix, Fact support. Diolo and RPC for Mac, support, OS 10.6 plus features, CLI. Frontend setup. Bitminer, this URL, support, Windows features, Pockle BLBR, planned, temp readings are usage. Taken from here. Personally, I am using the GUI Miner, which has the Pockle BLBR backend. It was easy to set up and it's running fine at Ubuntu 10.10 64-bit with an RT card.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.